I'm just about to reveal to you 5 free paid ad platforms you can utilize right now to go on to earning up to $1,000 every month with the help of CPA marketing utilizing Cpagrip, CPABuild, Max Bounty, or any CPA marketing platform of your choice. So if you do stick until the end of this video, you'll be able to see the 5 platforms right there that you can utilize right now to help you boost your income online with CPA marketing. Also guys, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online. If you like such content, check out the videos on my channel, they could help you out. Also make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. And guys, with that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. So the first platform which we're going to be utilizing right now is called the Safelist.com. This is actually a platform that you can use to get a lot of traffic to your CPA offers. As you can see, they have about 117,000 users right here, almost 18,000 users. And you can see right here that they do not promise that you will make money with them, but the promise will help you to make money. It depends on you. Start sending one ad only, but every day, and this can actually guarantee that you make money with the platform. You can also see right here that the Safelist was actually created from 2007 right here, and it is on top of the page. As you can see, the tutorial members affiliated right here. You could also go on to checking out that you can actually go on to join in for free, as you can send your ad to all free Safelist members right now. So basically guys, how this works right here is that it works in terms of like an email system right there, whereby you can actually go on to promoting your CPA offers in terms of like a mail system right there, and each of everybody that has an account on this platform will be able to see that mail right there, and you can go on to making money when people do go on to completing your CPA marketing offers via those mails. So this is quite a cool strategy right now, which you can actually go on to utilizing right here. So you could just simply go on to checking out more details about the platform, and you will find out how cool the platform actually is. Once you're done with that guys, come on to this home section, and you may want to just simply go on to logging into an account right here for this particular website. So you want to just simply go on to clicking on join now. If you do click on join now right there and the page loads up, we'll actually need to go on to creating an account on this platform called the European Safelist.com, and you can see right here some do's and don'ts which you can actually go on to doing on this particular platform right here called the European Safelist. So you want to just simply come right here, read through this particular section right now, and if you've done that, you will just simply go down to the bottom section and agree to the terms of service by clicking on accept. You will actually accept the terms of services right now. So if you do that guys, you can create an account right here, and if you do analyze this platform using the similar web statistics, you will find out that it gets about 12.5 thousand visits in the last 28 days, and most of its traffic right here are actually coming from demographic like the United States, Norway, Canada, Brazil, Malaysia, and also other countries right there. So why not just simply utilize that strategy to get cool traffic? The second platform right here is called the EQSafelist.com. So you can see right here the domain, which is the EQSafelist.com. If you come onto this platform, this is quite similar to the first platform which we actually showed you earlier right here. As you can see, it's just about everything an internet marketer should need in a viral Safelist mailer system right now. So you can see right here that from this section, you could just simply go on to clicking on sign up. If you do click on sign up guys, and you wait for the page to load up guys, you'll be getting to know more and more about this particular platform right here called the EQSafelist.com. So what you want to do right now is to come onto this section right here. After clicking on sign up, you want to fill out your basic details like your first name, your last name, and your username and other details right here. Provide them and you can get an account created. Then go on to promoting your CPA offers on such platforms. And to promote your CPA marketing offers on such platforms, it actually works based on credit system right there. So guys, if your credit actually goes on to running out on this platform, you're actually going to have to go on to doing more tax so that your credit can actually get completed. And if you do that right there, you do get paid some cool cash right now. So the third platform right here is actually called elitesafelist.com. This is also an amazing platform you could utilize right there. As you can see, this is an email advertising platform that has never been this effective until now right here. So you could also go on to utilizing this for email marketing right now. As you can see, you could click here to join now, or you could just simply click here to join the Elite Safe List right there. If you do this right there, this can actually enable you going to getting lot of cool and amazing engagement to your CPA offers once you start promoting your offers on such platforms right here. So I'm not going to walk you through how you could do just this, because they are actually quite easy to register for such platforms. And then you may want to just simply go into utilizing this particular platform called the free safelistmailer.com. So if you come onto this platform called the free safelistmailer.com, you could also utilize this for same purpose right now. And you could see right here that they actually went on to, you can actually go on to getting a lot of traffic. As you can see, about 80,000 people right here are actually active members on this platform, meaning that a lot of people are utilizing this platform and they are getting a lot of engagement and a lot of traffic to their CPA marketing offers. So this one right here, and guys, the last but not the least is called the Hercules.com. So with the Hercules.com, guys, you get to advertise to thousands daily using this particular platform. You can actually go on to utilizing an honorable ad submission. You could utilize the automatic downline builder and some other tools which the Hercules platform actually do have. So leverage such platforms right now and such videos or such websites right now to go on to utilizing that to make money right here. So guys, if you want to just simply if you want me to just simply drop a video on each platform on how you can actually use them, guys, why not just simply leave a comment section down in the comment section down below. Just simply leave a comment right there and actually request me to create a simple video for you on each platform, and I'm actually going to do just that if the amount of requests is actually quite appreciable right now. So you want to just simply utilize this particular platform to make money online, and if the video did add some value to you, why not just simply leave a like button to the video, smash the subscribe button to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video right there, and goodbye.